take your leave with my thanks.
How what? Oh, it's you.
How are we this evening? That's a first? You've got nothing to say?
Don't feel like talking.
To anyone or to me?
Do you see anyone else?
That's your prerogative. Nonetheless, I came to listen.
No, you never really listen.
I shouldn't have told you.
You don't believe that. I know your lies well enough by now. Mum once said that keeping the truth from others can't change it.
Even if it spares unnecessary pain?
No, not knowing hurt me more. I didn't know a tumour was growing in my brain, but I felt it this whole time.
I don't know. What I do know is that the body often knows something's wrong before the mind. And now is the time to open our eyes and ears to your body.
That's your specialty, counsellor.
I can help you like I've always promised, but only if I can speak to the ferryman.
Who?
The candleman.
No, you said ferryman. Why did you call him ferryman? That's what she called him, isn't it? Cece. She saw him too.
That's why he's the only one who can help me understand.
Understand what?
Everything!
I've been poked at, studied, talked at, and hooked up to medical machines and